Hi, I'm Lisa, Head of Program Development at San Francisco Business School. We are excited to have you on board. Welcome. Our training programs are designed by business professors, industry experts, and enthusiasts. Each has several years of field and instructing experience. Throughout the course, you will follow lectures in a structured order. While you can jump back and forth in any lecture as you wish, the curriculum of the program is in the order we recommend you follow. Besides, you will receive emails from us unless you subscribe. Make sure you read these emails since you will find several tips, tricks, and recommendations on the ever-changing dynamics of the global business world. If you have any issues, please email our support team at support@sanfranciscobs.com. Our instructors and support team will respond within 24 hours, if not sooner. While you progress in the curriculum, you will see your score completion percentage under My Programs for each course you are enrolled in. Once you reach a 100% completion rate, a certificate of graduation will be automatically emailed to you. We are thrilled to see your success. I wish you happy learning.